How to change business PayPal account to your personal account. If you created a PayPal business account but now want to switch it back to personal account, in this video I'll show you step-by-step procedure to how to downgrade your PayPal business account to personal account. First, make sure you have downloaded PayPal on your phone. After that, click on search bar and open PayPal. Now make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, you can see this human icon on the top right corner. Click on it. Now scroll down a little bit and click on this message center option. Here, click on Ask PayPal Assistant and type in I want to change my business account to personal account. PayPal will review your request and respond within 24 or 48 hours. Now next option is that you can call PayPal support. Here, click on this contact us option. Now scroll down a little bit and select your issue so that they can provide you the right support. There are other ways to contact them as well. You can click on message us and message them, or you can click on resolution center, or you can click on this call us option and directly call them and request to downgrade your business account. So following the simple step, you can now change your business PayPal to personal. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.